Our challenge is to provide a quantitative, consistent, and repeatable framework to understand macro. Really, what we want to try and do is map out the macro DNA of an asset. So let's run through what we're trying to do here, and then I'll try and put it into context of Q1. I think it really boils down to three key questions. Does macro matter for my asset or portfolio? If macro matters, which factors matter? And then if I have that exposure, am I being compensated for taking that risk? Is it a tailwind or a headwind? Now, we show the core applications here, but at the heart of the model, what we're solving for are the factor exposures. What are the implicit betas, the implicit bets that you're taking? What are my macro betas? And then taking into account the factor moves, that will reveal the return attribution between macro versus non-macro. How important was macro and which factors? And then for risk, we want to pinpoint which factors are driving your risk. Is macro risk high or low relative to history? And then if I'm able to track it, what can I do about it? I think just like any fitness wearable, it starts with awareness, and then hopefully it leads to some modification of behavior. You can run fancy constrained optimizations, or simply be aware that StockX carries 5 times the amount of macro risk as all the other stocks in my portfolio. And you have to ask yourself then, do I believe in my stock thesis that much that I'm prepared to take that level of macro risk? And that is the call that this framework will allow you to make.